Hi everyone! Now we know a little bit about Nemo and Dory. Now I will introduce you to another friend. It's Flapjack and Hank. And who Flapjack and Hank? They were octopus. Yes, now we will study about octopus. Octopus or octopuses. In general, any eight-armed cephalopod, mollusk of the order Octopoda. The true octopuses are members of the genus Octopus, a large group of widely distributed shallow water cephalopods. Cephalopod is Greek word for head-foot. This actually makes sense, since their limbs are attached directly to their head. Octopus use tools. Like chimpanzees, dolphins, and crows, octopuses can pick up discarded coconut shells, climb into them, and use them as mobile homes. They can open clamshells, move rocks, and have even been known to disassemble filtration system of an aquarium tank. Octopuses can sense smell through their tentacles or arms. Octopuses are super smart. The octopus arms have hundreds of suckers, which can be moved independently thanks to a complex bundle of neurons that acts as a brain, letting the animal touch, smell, and manipulate objects. They can also develop opinions about people. Their suckers are strong but sensitive. The common octopus has about 240 suckers on each limb, and a particularly large sucker can hold up to 35 pounds. They can detect subtle chemical signals and move individually, even folding in half in a pinching gesture because they're extremely sensitive. All octopus have blue blood, and that's only the tip of the iceberg when you reflect on the fact that they also have three hearts. Two-thirds of an octopus neurons are in their arms, meaning they can act independently of one another without consulting the main brain. The arms can continue to move even after they've been cut off. Octopuses can change color just like a chameleon. Besides their eyes, octopuses can see with their skin, which is rich with the same light-sensitive proteins that their eyes use to sense light, color, and even shapes. It's interesting to know that they walk most places because their heart actually stops beating when they swim. Octopuses have no bones. In fact, this means they can cram themselves into tiny containers like jars and coconut shells. When sensing danger, octopus will release a cloud of black ink, which confuses predators and dulls an encroacher's sense of smell. Octopuses vary greatly in size. The smallest is about 5 centimeters or 2 inches long, while the largest species may grow to an incredible 5.4 meters or 18 feet in length and have an arm span of almost 9 meters or 30 feet. The giant Pacific octopus is the largest. It's 16 feet or 5 meters long and weighs around 110 pounds or 50 kilos. According to National Geographic, it was recorded that one Pacific octopus weight was more than 600 pounds, 272 kilos, and 30 feet, 9.1 meter measured across. The smallest octopus is the octopus wolfie, smaller than an inch long, 2.5 centimeter, and weighing less than a gram. Habitat and behavior. Found in every ocean, there are around 300 species of octopus. Some, like the paper nautilus, drift nearer to the surface, but most live on the seafloor. They mostly feed on crabs, shrimp, and mollusks. Solitary animals. Octopuses usually live alone. They live in dens they construct from rocks, or in shells they pulled over on top of themselves. Some even make a door from a rock pulled into place when they're safely popped into their homes. When bored, they eat their arms. Octopus living in non-stimulating environments in captivity became pretty stressed out, and some even turned to a disturbing behavior known as autophagy, or eating their appendages. They've got poison. It's thought that all octopuses have some venom that comes from bacteria living inside the animals. Most don't have enough poison to injure people, but a bite from a small blue ringed octopus can paralyze a human in minutes. Masters of camouflage. An octopus can change the color of its whole body in just 3/10 of a second. But the octopus doesn't simply take on the overall pattern of its surroundings. Instead, to disappear into underwater scenery, it often mimics specific undersea objects like plants or rocks. Live fast and die young. For all of their amazing abilities, octopuses have short lives to typically last only a few years. Unfortunately, some species die after just 6 months. An octopus is a mollusk, like clams and shells. However, through evolution, it lost its shell. Octopuses are oviparous, which means they lay eggs like chickens do. By comparison, humans are viviparous, which means they give birth to fully developed young. Some snakes, including rattlesnakes, are ovoviviparous, which means the female lays inside herself. The eggs hatch inside and then she gives birth to live young. Octopus are believed to be the smartest invertebrate on the planet. Octopuses are the only marine animal that can open a jar. Octopus ink serves two purposes. It both hides the octopus and it physically harms enemies. If an octopus doesn't escape its own ink cloud, it could die. Octopuses can not only change color, they can also change texture. A baby octopus is about the size of a flea when it's born. Now we know a little bit more about octopuses. If you know something that I haven't said here, can you comment below in this YouTube channel? And please like, share, and subscribe, and please click the bell button for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!